Good evening, welcome to Beauty Control PA this week. Please follow me. Please have a seat. Good afternoon, each and everyone. Welcome to Beauty Hotel, where your safety and comfort, our top priority, will guide you through our safety measure to ensure a pleasant and secure stay. For Section 1, room safety, electronic doors locked with secure key cards. Number 2, deadbolt locks for added security. Number 3, smoke detectors and sprinkle system. Number 4, emergency exit includes clearly marked. And number 5, in-room safety for valuables.
For the Section 2, Hotel Security. Our hotel takes security seriously. Number 1 is 24/7 front desk staff. Number 2 is CCTV cameras in public areas. Number 3 is secure parking with CCTV monitoring. For the number 4 is training security personnel on site. Number 5 is regular safety drill and training for staff.
At BTEC Hotel, we prioritize your safety. If you have any concern or question, please don't hesitate to reach out to our staff. Thank you for choosing us and enjoy your stay. Thank you.